In front of me is SONY Xperia VII, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for remove section to show up. When it does, drag your search bar on top of it. And when you see that remove section is yellow, let go. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. To restore it, you need to hold your device's display, click Widgets in the pop-up, scroll down to find Google app and click on it. Then scroll again to find Google search bar, hold it, drag it wherever you want to, and let go. Then you need to pull it like that to resize it. When you finished, click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!